How's it going? In this video we're going to be taking a look at Netflix from a technical perspective. Please review the disclaimer in the description below. I put it there from now on to save some time. Basically, I'm not a professional trader. This is not really financial advice. It's just educational purposes, and I'm not saying trade any stock that I make a video on, basically. So please do your own research outside of every video you watch on YouTube and all the information you learn. So what I'm really concerned about right now is basically this. Actually, I should probably put this here too. So this is the 3-year one day we're looking at. But I'm really concerned just about, I guess, the last since the beginning of this year. And you can see it's been trending up. It had a double top, and then on this day it like dropped for some reason, and then bounced right back up on earnings. I don't really know what happened. We're not really going to discuss that. And then it continued to fall down, and then it shot up basically from here to here. Pretty nice 20% move back up. And then now basically it dropped again, came up, dropped, and it's funneling into this ascending triangle pattern, which is a really good continuation pattern kind of. But see, it's not really doing a continuation pattern, because if it was, it wouldn't have had this and shot down. However, it is still forming an ascending triangle pattern, which I see a lot of value in. But one thing to take note is, if you look at the volume, usually here you want to see a very high volume, or not very high volume, but high volume in comparison to this volume, and we do not see that. So right here, like this, it's pretty high volume, or it's not really high volume, but it's decent volume. And right here we want to really have a volume confirmation, so it should kind of look like this, trending down, less and less volume, and we don't see that. But that would be nice to have, but we don't have it, I guess. So you have to use extra judgment with this. If you do, let's say you want to take this trade, you have to understand that the volume confirmation isn't there, so the probability might be a little bit less. Whoops. You can see this is also a pretty significant point, the 338 level. I don't know why. You can see it hit a resistance, hit it again, finally broke above, and then after this double top it came back down. And I guess, yeah, just actually it kind of touched here, not really. And then it eventually found it again back in this first part of the triangle. Let's go over to 3-year or 180-day 4-hour. That is not the 180-day 4-hour chart. Damn. Okay. Let's mainly focus on this part. So I have I have some alerts here. I want to know if it's gonna touch around here. I want to know what's happening around here, or I want to know when it touches, basically. And then I have, this is like a, excuse me, my voice is a little hurting. And then I have an alert up here. So one of the targets, a max target, basically what I like to do is from the first basically candle, or the not first candle, the first like high or low, or this basically it shoots up, it goes down, whatever this point is. I don't know why I'm blanking out on a word to use. This first like triangle thing from here to the top of here is a max target. So this is absolute max, is like 11%. However, if we look at from here to here, this is exactly 11% too. So up here would be the absolute max target, I guess, exit point, assuming we got in somewhere down here. But I'm a little bit more conservative, so I have it around here, which is like 9%. Actually, I might have like a little bit, like, yeah, just gonna add another one right here, just for the hell of it, because it's still a 5% move, assuming you get in right at the break. But I don't like doing that. I'd rather get in down here, just because it's just personal preference. So trading these triangle patterns, you can either get in down here when it's touching an arbitrary line, like the slope basically you draw, and from here I just connect these 2 points. So somewhere down here where you can do when it breaks out. However, it might not break out, and you might not be able to enter exactly when it breaks out. But you see the volume is iffy. That's the only thing I don't like, is the volume's iffy. But if we look at it, actually I guess the volume would be better to look at 1 day, whatever, this chart. Yeah, it is a little less, granted. Like if we add up everything from here to here, I don't really want to do that, but I probably should have done that. If we add up all these, and then we add up, I guess, all of these, average it over this time frame, we can see. Maybe not. Hold on, sorry. My train of thought's getting jumbled. If we add up all these, take the average of this, and then take an average of basically maybe like every week, we'll have like 3 points, and we can see if every week it's decreasing in volume. So this is over the course of a month. Maybe I'll do that after the video because I don't want to waste too much time doing it. And maybe I'll post it down below to see what happens. Yeah, so basically that's what I see value in for Netflix is it's creating this ascending triangle pattern, and it appears to be kind of like if we go back to AMD. This was the other close ascending triangle pattern form, or not close ascending triangle. This is the most recent pattern, ascending triangle pattern I traded. You can see it shot up here, and it consolidated and did this. Not consolidated. It kept bouncing. For some reason, I can't really get a good view on this. Hold on. What the heck? What's going on? Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get this. What the? Oh, what the? Oh no. Alright, never mind. Forget I said anything. Basically, ascending triangle pattern. Don't have the volume confirmation though, which would be nice, but it's still. Oh yeah, this is another thing I want to mention. Earnings are in the 16th. I don't like to hold up, like when I'm trading a position, I do not like to basically interfere with earnings. So if I did get into something like this, I would not want to be in at earnings. Even if I had a good prediction, it would be good, or not good. Even if I was in and I thought it was going to be, I guess, earnings are going to be good, price would increase. I don't like being in it because it's still gambling. I don't know what's going to happen. Basically flipping a coin, and I don't really want to flip that coin. So yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to point out that I just noticed Netflix is creating a ascending triangle pattern. So yeah, if you guys like the video, just let me know what you guys think below, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you around.